Today I'm just planning on doing a very minimal, simple, healthy, glowy makeup look. I'm going to try to get this done in under 10 minutes, which shouldn't be too hard because there's not very many products that I'm using. I like to use a tinted moisturizer instead of a foundation just because it looks a lot more natural and healthy to me. I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer. So I've just put it all on with my fingers and I'm just kind of blending it out with a clean beauty sponge just to make sure that it's even. Now I'm just going to put on a little bit of concealer. I like to use two different concealers. I'm using the Glossier Stretch Concealer. It's around my nose and wherever I need it on my face. A little bit on my chin. This is in the shade Medium. And I'm just blending it out with my sponge. And then I'm using Tarte Shape Tape on the inside corners of my eyes. Blend it out. This is my favorite part of doing my makeup. This is the Benefit Benetint. It feels like you're putting nail polish on your face. I feel like it's so natural and healthy looking. I love it. I guess we'll do a little bronzer. I've been using this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer forever. Like I really need to get a new one. I'm gonna add a little bit of Glossier Boy Brow. It doesn't really fill them in, but it does give them texture, so I like to make them a little bit more fluffy with this stuff. Doing a little bit of highlighter now. This is the Living Luminizer by RMS. It looks like this. I always just use my finger, put it on my cheekbone. I just put it on the very top of my cheekbone and kind of blend up to my temple. Whatever's left on my finger from that, I just rub on my nose a little bit. And Cupid's bow. And then I take whatever side is clean on my beauty blender, tap it a little bit just to make sure that it's not too crazy. Makes it look a little bit more natural, I think, when you do this. Sorry, my camera just shut off, but you didn't miss much. I'm just putting my mascara on. We always make a mess. I just put on some of this Luca's Paw Paw ointment. It's so amazing. I love this stuff. I really like putting lip balm on before putting on lip liner. It just makes it a lot softer. This is just a NYX lip liner in the shade Coffee. And I'm just kind of scribbling. I'm not being too perfect about it. What am I gonna do with my hair? This is the IGK Beach Club Texturizing Spray. I'm just gonna hope for the best. Make it look like it's supposed to be messy. I feel like that's as good as the hair is gonna get today. A little bit crazy, but that's okay. Alright, now I need to get dressed. So sorry, this mirror is not the best for this sort of thing, but it's the only full-size mirror we have in this house. So I'll just do this quickly because we are like running really late to go to Nashville. These shoes are from Mango. My jeans are from Zara from like 2 years ago. And top is also from Zara actually. This vegan leather jacket is from Free People. Bag is just from Target. It's like a Who What Wear bag. I'm all ready to spend the day in Nashville. See you guys later.